This protocol uses refractive index detection to measure byproducts of carbon metabolism that are commonly accumulated in lysate-based, cell-free systems. It also makes use of mass spectrometry to detect an even broader panel of central metabolites that are generated in metabolically active lysates. The two techniques used in this protocol provide the ability to quantitatively describe the chemical reactions occurring in a lysate-based, cell-free system, making it possible to detect a wider range of metabolites, including those present at low concentrations in the complex lysate background. Demonstrating the procedures will be Jaime Lorenzo Dinglasan and David Reeves, graduate researchers from the Biosciences division. Begin by combining the different components in 1.5 milliliter microcentrifuge tubes to prepare final reactions with 4.5 milligrams per milliliter of total lysate protein. Prepare cell-free metabolic engineering or CFME reactions with final volumes of 50 microliters in triplicate per time point. Terminate the triplicate reactions at their appropriate time points immediately by adding an equal volume of 5% trichloroacetic acid to each sample's final reaction volume. Then dilute each sample by adding 2 times the volume of sterile water to each